Okay, we start our recording in our Group 11 meeting for Lesson 16. And we were just talking about the group projects. So our final project that we have to look at. And so have you had a chance to look at that, Mariella?
Yes, I have looked at the design study.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but first I understand we have to choose a topic, no?
Yeah, we have to design it. We have to figure out how we're gonna do our project. Since maybe we can um do a shared doc, because it says that we all have to be help create in and edit each document. So I can share this as we go along. But I don't know. Are you guys ready to do this now, or do you guys want to talk about this on Thursday?
I think we have to. I have the word here, the paper.
Hmm. Yeah.
But first we have to decide. I think that we can do it today. What is the topic we are going to use, and then we can fill the rest of the questions.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
we could just look over it more until Thursday, and then Thursday we all come with ideas or something.
Yeah. I
A
think
couple
so.
topics we could possibly do, and then we'll choose from those.
Yeah.
Mm.
I mean, they have it's he's got some things in there where, are they 1,000 chips in every bag of Chips Ahoy or things like that we can look at, but we might be able to something we already do every day. We might be able to do that as well. Um, so we can look at it that way. All right, I shared my screen, but you know what? Let's have some time to look at it. Okay, so we'll go into our homework. Anybody have any questions on the preparation?
No, just the symbol used for the mean and the standard deviation. I think it's the same. What's the difference from the symbols?
The
They
p hat.
Yeah, they use a p with a symbol over the p for standard deviation. And for the mean, they use the p with that same symbol.
Um, yes,
No,
yes.
it's
Uh,
the same.
yeah. I think what I'm trying to pull up my homework here. So the P hat is what they called it, right? That's what you're talking about, and that is the standard deviation of P hat would,
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
yeah.
Yeah, I need to have mentioned that it's a standard deviation of p hat.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, that's all.
Did you guys get the graph and the pie chart? How to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay. I couldn't figure it out, and I had to watch the video, and then I saw what they were saying, where you take out that information and you put it in. So yeah, I kind of struggled with that a little bit, but I got it done. So
I filtered the information, then I counted, and then I did my graph.
yeah, yeah. Okay. All right. So we want to go ahead and do our quiz.
Yes, yes.
Sure.
Let me go ahead and close this. Too many windows open. All right. Sorry, let me pull that up. Okay. Okay, so number 3.
Number
Yeah.
page.
The third one, I choose the third one.
Yeah, the third one. Number 4, power bar charts and charts related. It would be the last one.
Yeah.
Number 5, true proportion.
It's a true proportion.
Yeah, the proportion, yes. Number 6 is sample size.
Hmm.
Number 7 is 4D.
Is it 40 or 0.40? Oh, 0.25. If P equals 1/4, what's the smallest? Oh, I see what you're saying. 40. Yeah. I didn't read the whole question. Wait, how did you get 40?
They have the sentence that is NP, it's greater than or equal 10, and you have to have the number that is equal 10. Is the minimum that the value that is a minimum value that n could have, and that's 40 because p is 25.25,
Uh-huh.
and you multiply by 40 and you have 10.
Oh, gosh. Okay.
Then is the minimum n.
Okay. I got to figure that one out. I mean, I have to understand that better. Okay.
Mhm.
Next two question. N equals 24. P equals 0.4. So, number 8, did you get 0.01?
Number 8, 01. No, no. I got for number 8. I got 0.017 or no.
0.017. Because P is, oh,
P
and then
and N.
square root. 0.1. Okay. Is that big? Did you do the square root of P times 1 minus P divided by N?
But it's the mean. The mean is not N over under P. I got
Oh, the
0.1
mean of,
for the standard deviation, yes. But for the
okay.
number A that is the mean, I got 0.017.
So in the lesson under 3.2.2, it
Let
says
me,
the sample proportion is normally distributed if n is large. A true population mean of the random variable p with the thing is it like equals each other.
say that one more time.
Ah, but
The,
it's rounded to the 10th place, no?
Um,
Oh my gosh.
and it says we can apply if like just you want me to share my screen to see where show where I'm reading.
yeah, yeah, that'd be great.
Right here, the sample proportion is normal. So it shows they equal each other.
Mm-hmm.
And if the thing is large, but it shows here that it's large if it's over 10. So wouldn't it just be 0.4? You see what I'm saying?
How large is large enough?
Yeah, but I read that part also, no, where you say that n is equal p, no? The mean of p, it's equal p.
Yeah.
Yeah, and how you get p? P is not n over, it's not x
Oh,
over n.
P.
I will share my screen now. P is not x over n.
The mean of P.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I was looking
Well, yeah,
for.
I've seen that too, so I don't know.
Yeah,
So
X O.
so I use 0.4 under or the division 24th.
But we have here, we already have P, which is 0.4, right?
Uh-huh, 0.4 under 24.
And we don't have X.
Yeah, we don't have X. So it says find
Yeah.
the mean of P. Let me
So
see
it's
here.
how much is it? 0.4?
Because
Because
0.4 is our P already, right?
okay.
Um,
So it has to be 0.4.
so yeah, so if the mean of P hat equals P, then it's 0.4 then, right?
Yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, we are agreed that.
Yeah, so then our standard deviation of P hat is 0.1. Is that what you
0.1.
have?
Yes.
0.1.
Or what's the standard deviation?
The standard deviation of P hat. That's the formula that we had where P hat equals the square root of P times 1 minus P over, or divided by N.
But you guys got 0.1 for that.
Yeah, because, yeah, 0.1, because you take the square root, the equation comes out to 0.01, and then the square
Mm-hmm.
root of that is 0.1.
Yes.
Um, let's go
Number
to,
10.3 in this case.
yeah, if we're saying P equals to P hat,
Mm-hmm. 0.3, yes.
Feels like a trick question,
Yes,
right?
right.
Let me see.
Right. Well, it says that she'll get more than 35 in her next to 100, so 0.35? Not sure.
Okay, which one?
Number 10.
Brittany's average. What is this? She get more than 35 hits.
But P is the mean. And it says the Brittany rating average is 0.3 of.
So would it be 3.35 then?
0.35.
Would you take, because would X be her 35 and then the N is 100?
See, that's what I took from it. Yeah. You got 35 out of 100, or more than 35 out of 100. So 35 divided by 100,
Mm-hmm.
0.35. Right. Yeah. That's what I think.
Oh yeah, because this question's different. The last question, what was the mean of P? And the mean of P is equal to P. P hat is equal to P. But
Yeah.
this one is what is P?
Mm-hmm.
And we know that P hat is equal to X divided by N. So, okay.
Could be.
So
Yeah.
we have 0.35, right? What was that?
My computer was talking to me.
Oh. And then what did you guys get for the standard deviation of P? I want to see if I did this right. I got to do it again.
0.002.
Okay.
That's not what I got. What did you get, Missy?
100 equals. I got 0.0458, but we're going 3 decimals, so 0.046.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Mariella, I think you have to square your answer.
Let me check. Because it's 0.3 multiplying 0.7, yes?
Yeah.
Under 100. And
And
that's
then,
square.
and then that
Yes. I don't know where I have the other one, the other number, yeah. 0.045,
0.
0.6.
Yeah, 0.046.
Yes. I don't know where I found the other questions.
The Z score 1.087.
You did that fast.
Mm-hmm.
The CT score, how much do you get? That's where I got the confusion. Yeah. Okay.
0.35 minus 0.3 divided by, you said 1.087?
7, yes. 87, yes.
Yeah, you just do your or yeah, 0.5 divided by.
Yeah, that's what I got. I got 1.087 as well. So then we plug that baby into our probability app. Where is that probability app?
It's 0.35. What's the probability?
1.087. So the question was
Bigger.
the greater than, right?
Yeah.
It's probably that Brittany gets at least 35 hits on her next 100 bats.
So,
So
what do you
yeah.
think?
So then we just do the right skewed. I mean, we just highlight the right one, right? So 0 point you said 1.385. That's what I see.
Yeah.
So I wrote right because I was thinking it's 35 under 100, no?
So 0.139.
Yeah.
0.1. How much do you say?
39.
0.39.
139.
139. How you get that?
What did you get?
What did you get
I get 0.35.
for number 13?
13, yes.
So I just plugged in the Z score into the probability app,
Ah, okay.
and then
Ah, yeah. Okay. Using the apple.
yeah, yeah,
Ah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking that was like the first class when you roll dice and then you
right.
found the probability. I was thinking that was on like that. Okay.
So is that correct though? Because it says Brittany gets at least 35 hits. So is it greater than 35 or is it actually less than and equal to 35? Because if it's less than or equal to 35, then it's 0.862.
Mhm.
Uh,
This is where I always get confused. Actually, I get confused a lot, but this is one of those places I get confused on which one to highlight in.
Yeah, how to use what
uh,
when to use the list.
Am I overthinking it?
I think Z score is more than 35, and it's a positive Z score, so it would just be to the right of that.
Hmm.
So it would just be the 0.139.
Okay, we'll go ahead and leave that in there, and then we can check our answers because we're almost done here. The standard deviation of P. Okay, so 0.52.
I got 0.011.
Thousand, huh? Let me see.
That's what I got.
Oops. You have 0.011. Yeah, that's what I have. Um, Z score. So the z-score, we're taking 0.5, right?
Minus,
Minus 0.52.
yes, under 2000.
Yeah.
And I got 0.
No, wait, divided by the 0.011, right?
Sorry?
0.5 minus 0.52
Yeah,
divided by
2000.
0.01. No,
Ah, so yeah,
0.011.
011, yes.
I have negative 1.818.
Yeah.
1818, yes. And the last question is 0.119.
The question,
17.
what is the probability the survey results will show the candidate is losing even though the true two? So this one will be, the probability will be 0.034 or 35, right?
Mhm.
35. Show them
And you see the applet?
using the applet. Yeah,
I use the CT scored.
that's you. Is that what you have, Brianna?
For what?
0.035.
Yeah.
You didn't sound confident because that's
Well, you guys use 0.50 for the p hat for
for the
15 and 16. But how did you
point.
wait? What?
Yeah, because of the
Less than 50% of the vote, right? Or something.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, so you just did 1,000
Well,
divided by.
you know what though? So so less than 50% should actually be P, right? Because then the P hat should be uh yeah.
Also, the resolution mechanism is losing even though the true B is 52.
So actually it should be 50.50
Well, I
minus
see where you got 0.50 is just 1,000 divided by 2,000. Like 50% of it. Right? I'm just gonna submit it.
Yeah.
I think I'm thinking too much into it now.
I am too. I'm gonna submit mine too, and then we'll look and see how we did. Oh, I guess we got 100. There you go.
Nice. Oh, I missed one. I must have copied
Which,
wrong. Or like,
which one? Which one did you get wrong?
I don't know. Oh, number 11.
11?
Standard deviation of P
What did you guys put?
0.046.
Six.
Oh, I didn't put the 0 before it.
Uh,
Oh, you just did 0.46?
Yeah, I must have just forgot. Wow. Well,
Yeah.
that's my fault.
Okay.
okay.
Mariela,
That's,
you got everything?
yeah.
Okay. So on Thursday, then we're going to go ahead and talk about our group meeting. I mean, our project then, right? And maybe we can have some ideas of what we can do for that project. It doesn't have to be super complicated, but I don't want to make it super easy either,
Yeah.
because
Okay.
I think it might come back to get us if we make it too easy. But also, I started watching Brother Greenlaw's video, and his so that's probably really good that we could do that before our next meeting too.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, all right, ladies. Thank you
See you.
very much. You guys have a good day.
See you later.
Okay, bye.
Bye.